If you also have been looking for the perfect, super thick, super stretchy, extra cushioned, durable and still flexible low-cut socks, then I have the perfect solution here with these Wonderman's Athletic low-cut socks, which I got from the seller to show you in this 8 pieces box, and they are absolutely amazing. I've already been wearing one of these pairs and they have been absolutely phenomenal. So much better than anything I've been wearing till now. Really super comfortable, not only comfortable actually, but really stylish. So I can just slip into these sneakers, which are already pretty comfortable, but on top of that, these socks are giving me an extra layer of super comfort. Yeah, come here a little bit closer so you can see them. They are single wrapped here. And now watch this pair here. Really super flexible. And despite the flexibility, they are really super thick here with a lot of reinforcements also here at the front. Yeah, it's absolutely amazing. So much thicker than most other socks I've tried till now. Super comfortable, durable, stylish. And regarding the sizing, I'm usually wearing a 10.5 US man size. And here I have a medium size, at least there's an M here underneath, which means 9 to 12, and it fits absolutely perfectly. But for everything larger than a 10.5, I would recommend the 12 to 15. But again, absolutely awesome, full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested in this absolutely awesome set, which could be even a great gift, I think, because they are so awesome, then you can find the link down in the description of the video so you can check it out and order a set for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with these socks, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.